What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and I gotta roll up my sleeves. There's quite a bit of stuff we have to unbox here. So yeah, Realme sent us this little package over here. First thing we got, always gotta stay comfortable on your travels, so got a neck pillow. Next up is this Realme yellow hoodie. It's large, so I can wear it, but I don't think I'm gonna be wearing it during this video. So yeah, just open it up, and yeah, I don't know if this is for sale, but earlier I didn't really like it, but it's actually a pretty cool hoodie. I might wear it later. We'll see. Next up, we have a game handle for your smartphone. So this should be pretty useful for playing games like PUBG maybe, or Mobile Legends. So here's my phone. Yeah, I could see myself using this for playing PUBG Mobile Legends. Also has a stand right there. Standing around. Realme earphones, or Realme Buds. They're Realme earphones. And here we have, that's a lot of boxes. Yeah, so I've seen these before. These actually look really nice. Oh, you have the magnetic backs on the earbuds. So when you're wearing them around your neck, you can just do that. Yeah, so for Realme, you got that gray or black and yellow accents over here. And the main cable is braided, very nice. You also got inline control. And yeah, on the note of being yellow, Realme provided us mango flavored haichu. It's one of my favorite. Okay. All right, I'll open up myself one haichu. Now the main item in our box is the Realme 3 Pro. So this of course is a more upgraded version of the Realme 3, which you all know. The Realme 3 had a Helio P60. This one has a Snapdragon 710. Let's open the box and see what it looks like. It's still going. It's still going. It stopped going. Okay, see that? Hey, welcome to the Realme family. Happy to oblige. As usual, we got in a Realme package. We have a clear case and your documentation over here. You have the unit itself. So guys, this is, you can see that. This is the Realme 3 Pro. You got your dual lenses at the back, that nice yellow accent over there, fingerprint scanner. I think this is a 6.3-inch display. You get that water drop notch. You have your, ooh, it's a VOOC charger. So aside from having a more powerful processor and more RAM and storage compared to the normal Realme 3, the Realme 3 Pro supports VOOC charging, which we know is fast. But since it's VOOC and not Super VOOC, unfortunately, micro USB port and cable. But in any case, the Realme 3 Pro, just like the Realme 3, should be a great smartphone for gaming, photography, battery life. We're expecting that from the Realme 3 Pro. Stay tuned for our full review where we see if it's actually legit. So yeah, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey. This has been the Realme 3 Pro. And I'll see you in the next one.